cute animal friends. Today's story is the elephant's big sneeze. One flowery morning, Elephant's trunk started to feel very tickly. She wiggled it, she jiggled it, she tried very hard to hold the sneeze inside. Her friends came over to say hello. Good morning, Elephant. ACHOOOO. The great big sneeze blew her friends all the way over the hill and into the pond. Splash! Oh no, poor Penguin, poor Koala. They were sobby and dizzy and dripping wet. Elephant felt so sorry. I'm sorry, friends, she said, and she helped them out of the pond, safe and dry. It's okay, Elephant, they said. Everybody sneezes, and saying sorry is the kindest thing of all. And then everybody sneezed together, ACHOOOO, and they all laughed and laughed. Come back soon for another cute animal friends story. Bye-bye.